Hi GME aspirants, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So if you want to apply in a good shipping company, after Anglo, the college comes as IMS Go, where good shipping companies comes, and another is Synergy. These are the three highly recommended company or colleges that I can say. Now Synergy Maritime के बारे में थोड़ा बता दूँ. Now it is one of the fastest growing ship management companies today, very close to Anglo with around 600 vessels of different kinds, growing rapidly under the leadership of कैप्टन राजेश वन्नी, अगेन अ प्राउड इंडियन, एंड हमारे लिए बहुत प्राइड की बात है ये चीज़. नेक्स्ट लेट्स मूव अहेड. सो कोर्स डिटेल्स में अगर बात करें, इफ़ यू वांट टू गो फॉर, सपोज यू क्लियर द सिनर्जी एग्जाम्स, दे विल सेंड यू टू एनी ऑफ दिस कॉलेजेस, IMS Go और HIMT और यूरोटेक और टू कोचिन शिपयार्ड. फाइन, दे विल गिव यू एन ऑप्शन, बट एट द एंड समटाइम्स दे डिसाइडेड देमसेल्व्स कि भैया आपको कहाँ भेजना है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया शुड हैव बीन बॉर्न after 1st January 1996. Now this has been taken latest from the website. What you have to do is you have to go to the website and see as per the current scenario. So as per today's scenario when you are watching the video, okay, so this will change. Apart from this, should have secured 60% in physics, chemistry and maths in class 12th, should have scored 60% overall aggregate in class 12th. In case of diploma, should have aggregated of 65%, should have obtained 50% marks in English in class 12th or equivalent. तो ये तो हो गया 12th के ऊपर what all the requirements they have. Apart from that, BTech में should have completed BTech or B in mechanical engineering 50% aggregate, or should have appeared in final semester exam BTech B in mechanical engineering, should be appearing. Sorry, एक तो या तो हो चुका है पास और should be appearing, then also he can give. Kindly note that in this case selection is subject to meet the criteria of 50% in final results. So sometimes when you are awaiting results, if it is above 50%, then only you are eligible to give the synergy exams. आगे move ahead. Eligibility age criteria, not more than 20 years from the date of commencement of training. Next, eligibility criteria, medical standards with respect to eye, you should not be colorblind. Ideally should be 6/6 in both the eyes. Worst case 6/12 in both the eyes. More worst case 6/9 in one eye and 6/18 in the worst eye. Copied. So this is the medical standard. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Register process. Eligible candidates need to fill out the registration form on their official website. So this is the website, https synergyexamindia.com/synergy/. So go on to the website, you will find the latest details updated there, copied with respect to each, and even if their eligibility criteria changes. The company will post updates regarding their exams. When the company posts, Merchant Navy Decoder will also post, so you will come to know. For registration, you have to create an account on their website and then click on the Synergy application to apply for the exam. Pay the fees 1500 plus GST. आगे बढ़ते हैं. How to apply? The examination will be of the online format of duration 3 hours, that is 180 minutes. The examination will be of objective type comprising of 200 questions. A total of 100 questions will test knowledge and 100 questions to test English and aptitude. Each question answered correctly is awarded 1 mark, and every question answered incorrectly is awarded 0.25 in minus. Unattended questions are not marked, no plus or no minus marks. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Testing areas for knowledge, 100 questions. Syllabus is based on BTech BE mechanical engineering gate syllabus. Other questions in knowledge area will be from the approved syllabus of BE, BTech, mechanical, as the case may be. So these are the 100 questions coming from the technical background. Other 100 that will be coming will be on English and aptitude, numerical reasoning, data interpretation, verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, spatial abstract reasoning and English. In this case, you can definitely buy our GME Excellence package, which will help you clear your synergy sponsorship. That for sure, because not just GME Excellence package, but the community that is formed is helping each other, connecting a lot of Zoom sessions together, creating awareness, interviews, everything. So that is important. Next. College portal. If you want to know about Synergy, up till now we have not made a portal for Synergy, but we'll be making it very soon, right? But what you have to do is you have to, suppose by that time when you are watching the video, we might have created a portal for Synergy as well. For Synergy, you have to go to the college portal. You click on the college portal, then you come over here, GME, click on GME, and then you click on GME. You will very soon find in highly recommended Synergy also over here. And over there in Synergy, you will find all about overview about the company, about the college, where it sends, how much is the fees, everything out there. And along with that, the reviews about how much is the waiting period and everything. So we'll be doing that very soon. With this, all I can say is Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Merchant Navy Decoded YouTube channel. Apart from that, follow me on Instagram with Chief Engineer Praneeth. For any query, WhatsApp at this number or email at teammerchantnavydecoded@gmail.com. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.